The best AI notepad is Granola, and here's how to set up and use Granola. To install Granola, I go to granola.ai. Here I download the Windows version that will start the download in the upper right corner. Once the executable has downloaded, I will click Open File here, and that will start the installer. Here I'll choose to set it up to Microsoft Teams and Outlook, so I agree and sign in with Microsoft here. When you open up Granola, this is your home screen. On top you will see your coming up meetings, and these are live synced with your calendar. Let me show you. Let's just schedule a quick demo meeting here. I'll do this and we'll make it a Teams meeting and click Save. Then you will see, once I minimize this, that it shows up here. Below here you will have the meeting history. Here we can revisit previous notes, and we will actually do that after our first meeting. Let's prepare our very first meeting with the AI notepad Granola. Now let's start a meeting. Before we do that, we want to prepare a little, so we take a few notes. This is my upcoming meeting, so I go click that. Up here I can choose to write my notes. And what I want to do here is to say something like focus. That's the focus of the meeting. I will say May was the strongest month so far. Expenses are increasing. Check at spend. Performance review. Software subscriptions. Then I can also do something like questions. That will be the questions for the meeting. Here I'll say something like, is the growth healthy? What should we adjust in June? And which costs should we review first? These notes are also the starting point for the meeting's notes, which we will continue on during the meeting. I can also go down here to the Ask Anything, and here I can prompt, so that could be, what should I make sure to ask Stine during this meeting? So this is my personal chatbot. And here we can see that we have a few suggestions. Now we are ready to join the meeting. We can do this in several ways. I can, for example, go down here and click Join Microsoft Teams, or simply just join the meeting like I do. When I start Teams meeting, then Granola will auto start. Now let me show you how cool Granola is in a meeting. Now we are ready for the meeting. So I'll wear my headphones. Hello, Stine. Nice to see you.
Hi, Anders.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. So this is the meeting with Stine. I will talk with you while I talk with her meanwhile. So first of all, Stine, let me present my Excel book here. So I'll show you May's month results, which I keep in this Excel file. So what I do here is to open up the Excel, and here I can see the May's month performance. I want to present this to Stine, and then I will use my Granola, which you can see over here to the right, live in the meeting, but one step at a time. I will first share the window. So I'll go down here and then I'll pick the Excel. Stine, nice to see you. And Stine, this is the May's month performance.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the expenses has increased. By the way, these are two identical graphs. This one is just for publishing to social media platforms like LinkedIn, which I do, and these are for like Instagram, where we want one by one format. So here, Stine, you can see the growth, and you can see that May was a good month, but it was probably not the strongest month as I have assumed. So while I conclude that in the meeting with Stine, I can go over here to the notes, and here you can see I can change the notes, which I work. So here I can say May was the weakest month so far. Stine, I can also see that a lot. And while I pause Stine here, I can go back to the chat over here. This was the chat that we started before the meeting. We can continue with that down here. And here I can just ask anything. I can say, what should I ask Stine next based on our finance review? So here it will ask questions, or will suggest questions to Stine, and it's based on the meeting notes and the transcription. So Stine, what do you think is the main reason May came in weaker than expected?
I've been spending a lot.
I can agree. And down in this chat, behind this symbol, this is actually Grammarly. I use a lot of AI tools where Grammarly Granola is in my stack. I can't go quit this. And behind this, you will see something nice. You will see that I can change the models down here. I can choose to work with the standard models, which are Sonnet 4.6, GPT 5.4, and GPT 5.5. I can also use the thinking models while I use this chat, but here their trade-off will be slightly slower answers. I prefer GPT 5.5. I can start new chats here. I just go up here and say new chats, and then I go back here. I need to remember to change the model. That will change back. I could ask the chat about something related to the transcription. I can also say make me sound smart, and then it will suggest things to say to Stine. I think it will help to split the May dip into a timing issue versus a real demand issue, so we do not cut the wrong things too quickly. I think that was a repeat of what you said, Stine. I would like to understand what June test in marketing would look like, so we can see whether more ad spend would likely pay back or not. So here I get some suggestions. I can also attach files to the private chat, and I can take a new chat, and again I prefer to stay in the GPT 5.5. So here we add files. I can go to my lesson files. I also have a PDF where I prepared a few things. So here, and Stine cannot see this. This is my private chat. So here I can say summarize this file and tell me what I should bring up with Stine. Then I hit enter. Now it will read the file. It will still use the transcription. And here we can see an overview. First, we have a file summary, main areas to review, and what to bring up with Stine. Which cost areas should you review first? Add software contractors. Are there quick savings you can make without hurting future growth? Stine, do you think that? Can we make quick savings without hurting future growth?
No, I think we run a pretty tight ship, so I'm okay with that.
That's great. And I can still continue up here in the Granola notes. I can structure them as I want. These were just my top of head notes. And here I can say something like growth looks healthy after talking to Stine. Then I can also say, should we spend money on ads? Probably not. Now I want to end the meeting with Stine. I just do that like a regular Teams meeting. Since this is a Teams meeting, Granola will save everything. Stine, thanks a lot for helping. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And we are not done yet, because Granola is so fantastic. After a meeting, now the magic actually starts. And now the meeting is over. I can take out the headphones. When I go back to Granola, I'll no longer have the meeting up here, but that has become a note. Here we have it, and this is so cool. Granola automatically created notes down here. We can see it categorized it. May performance review, cost and growth assessment, June adjustments, and next steps. Really, really nice. And it looks fantastic. It summarizes everything about the meeting. I will still recommend that either Stine and I can approve this if we want to use it. I often do this. I have meetings and then I can easily come back and see what we talked about. I can also go down here and I can even continue the chat. I prefer to take a new and again choose the GPT 5.5. I can say summarize the key decisions and action items from this meeting. Here you will see the key decisions and action items. I can still ask a lot of things, and these notes and chats are saved. I can see the chats over here, by the way. Here I have the make me sound smart. So really, really cool. I can choose to clean up or edit these notes. For example, if I don't need this, then I can just delete it like this. I can also go up in the upper right corner. Here I can choose to share the notes. I can choose to share it within my organization. Or I can simply just go up here and choose to share with anyone with a link, everyone at my company with a link, or I can invite people. But for this, I just copy it and then people can access the notes. And let me just show you how it looks. I will just open up a private browser just to show you how the notes look like. So here we have it. And can also, if we have a Granola account, we can also chat with these notes. Really nice. Your next advanced Granola video is right here. See you.